maximizing your business success in 2024. Strategies for accountants and bookkeepers to establish your goals for 2024. So as an accountant and a bookkeeper, we need to take a proactive approach to ensure our businesses remain successful in 2024 and beyond. Establishing your goals for the next few years is essential in order to stay on track. Start by analyzing your current financials, then create a plan that factors in the potential changes that might occur. That could be like economics, it could be taking on more clients, it could be changing the type of client that you work with, it could be any number of things. So you want to be sure that your goals are achievable and realistic. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Set targets for sales and expenses and revenue. Also consider utilizing new technology to automate processes and to reach a broader client base. Finally, make sure to review and update your plan regularly. I suggest at least a couple times a year so you can adjust to any shifts in the market. By establishing goals and taking the necessary steps to reach them, us as accountants and bookkeepers can ensure that our business remains successful in 2024 and beyond. So let's explore the latest technology trends. So because our field is constantly evolving, with the rapid pace of technology advancements, staying up to date with the latest technology trends is essential for staying competitive in the market, giving us that edge. Here's what you need to know about some of the things that are happening now in order to maximize your business success in 2024. So cloud computing has become the norm. It's been around for a while, but its popularity grew exponentially over the past few years. And that's probably due to the pandemic and that so many of us were at home for a couple of years, literally. But it allows users to access and store data on a remote server instead of like a physical hard drive, making it easier to access and manage data from anywhere with an internet connection. It really allows you to service your clients, talk with your clients using your cell phone or your iPad, no matter where you are. It allows you to take a vacation or a long trip and carve out like maybe one day and say, I'm just gonna do work on that one day, and you can do it remotely. It's great. If you need to take a break from what you're doing and go run an errand, you can still service your clients. It's just incredible. It does become the norm. More and more people are being virtual. So you want to make sure that you understand the basics of cloud computing in order to stay ahead of that competition. So there's something called robotics process automation, RPA. It's a technology that automates repetitive tasks, freeing up employees from mundane work. RPA can be used for accounting and bookkeeping tasks, such as generating invoices, checking data accuracy. This technology is becoming increasingly more popular in our field, and it is important for us to understand how to use it in order to understand our business success. Artificial intelligence, AI. We all know that totally exploded at the end of this year, 2023. But it's been around for decades, to be perfectly honest. And so it's just now becoming more mainstream. And by more mainstream, it's like everywhere. So AI is also used to automate processes and provide insights into what would be too time-consuming or complex for humans to do on their own. It can be used for automating bookkeeping tasks, such as generating reports, analyzing data. Understanding the basics of AI technology is essential, again, for staying competitive in our field. So don't be afraid, learn more about it, take a course, and figure out how can you use it in certain ways so that you can actually be more productive in your business and take on more clients, generate more revenue. So these are just a few of the many technology trends that are impacting the accounting and bookkeeping industries. For accountants and bookkeepers that want to maximize their business success in 2024, it is vital to stay up to date with the latest technology trends in order to remain competitive. Understanding cloud computing, RPA, AI can again help you stay ahead of the competition and maximize your business success. And equally as important, as we're using more technology, we need to make sure that we have support for our technology. So get together with an IT company that can provide you support for your laptop, your desktop, your phone, any of those kinds of things, because they go down, you need them right away. So these are people that do work remotely and usually can get you up and running within an hour or just a couple hours, and you'll never know. And with having virtually stored things on the cloud, then you know if your hard drive fries, or if, your computer, like you drip, you take your Coke and for some reason spill it on there. It's not the end of the world. You haven't lost your data. You've lost the ability to access your data, which can be easily replaced. So remember, it's good to have a backup. You always want to have backups. So harnessing the power of automation is one of the most powerful tools to streamline your business and maximize your success. With automation, you can automate tedious, time-consuming tasks. Again, like billing, data entry, invoicing. Again, freeing up more time to focus on strategic projects, special projects that you can do for your clients. Additionally, automation can really improve accuracy, reduce costs, and improve your customer service. By harnessing the power of automation, you'll be well positioned to take advantage of opportunities to succeed in 2024. So now we need to really look at our existing processes. So they're called SOPs, Standard Operating Procedures. It's a great idea to really have those written down so that if it's just you or if you have people that work for you, that everybody's doing everything the same way. So that's important. By keeping your processes up to date and efficient, then you can identify areas for improvement, create strategies that will help you maximize your business success in 2024. So when you're looking at your existing process, take a step back. Look at the big picture. Consider the overall efficiency of your operations and effectiveness of your current systems. We can always do better. We can always make, certain things work better for us or not have to do by automating things. So are your processes streamlined and optimized? You want to ask yourself that question. Are there any processes that are outdated or unnecessary? So evaluating your processes can help you identify any issues that might be hindering your business success. So look at the systems you currently use to manage your business. Are they up to date and compatible with the latest technology? Having systems that integrate with each other, again, will save you a lot of time. And there is a tool called Zapier that if there isn't a built-in integration in the software that you're trying to integrate with another software, you can build an integration with Zapier. It's very easy. And so, you just want to be aware of these kinds of things. These are things that you can problem solve. And not only are your things that you problem solve for you and your business, but also for your clients. You bring that knowledge to the table. So you want to make sure that you're providing the efficient accuracy you need to keep up with the competition. So consider whether you should switch to one or more advanced system or upgrade the one that you have. Sometimes it's just a quick upgrade. And, the beauty of technology is that it's not getting more expensive. It's actually staying relatively stable. So, usually if you can afford it, you can pay for a year in advance. You can get 1 or 2 months free. So look at those kinds of options to save you a little bit of money. But if you can't, that's okay. Pay it by month. So you want to also look at your marketing. How is that working for you? Have you been utilizing the right tactics to reach your target audience? Are you doing enough to promote your business? Evaluating your current marketing processes can help you identify areas for improvement so you can create more effective strategy for reaching potential clients. For example, what I'm doing here, creating a video talking about this. You can create a video, you can do social content, you can do Instagram, you can do posts, you can do all those things. And there is software that will help you with that. And AI is a big part of that. So don't forget though, networking. Really important to get in there because what we do is so personal that people really would rather do business with somebody that someone else knows. So you want to have some networking and referral opportunities. So there's like BNI, Business Networking International, great organization for referrals. H7, another great organization for networking. And Alignable, a new platform, relatively new platform, a couple years out, but it's really been advancing and there's a lot of business owners on there from all different walks of life. And guess what? They need bookkeepers and accountants. They need people that do taxes. They need advice. They need all of these things. So, consider about networking and getting a real group of people that you can actually refer to and they can refer to you. Because frequently my clients will ask me, do you know somebody that maybe handles health insurance? Do you know somebody that does 401k? Is there someone that you might be aware of that can help me with human resources issues? And yes, I do. And I'm happy to refer them because I know they're trusted people that I've vetted. And they're people that I see on a regular basis. So I know they're going to do a good job with my clients. So you might want to consider taking a course in technology. And also explore expanding the area of your services to trusted accounting advisor, improving both you and your client's bottom line. So you can actually charge a little bit more if you're doing advisory services. So you can have basic bookkeeping, then you can have advisory services, you can have tax, you can have a number of things. And so this will really allow you to expand what you do. So finally, review your customer service processes. Are you providing the support your customers need? So I had to sit back and look and say, how am I working with my clients? I meet with a lot of my clients on a weekly basis. Some are bi-weekly as we, progress in our relationship. But I also want to make sure that I'm not talking to them like an accountant. I'm talking to them in layperson terms. So important, so very important. So you want to evaluate your processes so that you can create a more efficient system that will meet the needs of your customers while providing better customer satisfaction. Because if they get really happy with you, they're going to refer you to their friends in business. So when you evaluate your existing processes as an important part of ensuring your business to be successful in 2024. So taking time to review your current systems and processes can help you identify areas of improvement, create strategies to manage and maximize your success, and take your business to a new level by incorporating advisory services as a new revenue stream. There are a lot of courses out there. Consider taking one. I have a really good one if you want to look it up, mastensolutions.com. Go to my webpage and you'll find the information about that. So you can become the secret weapon that your clients can't do without, and they need you.